Very good morning, students. I'm Prasad Parab. I'm founder and co-director of Swara Engineering Private Limited at Mumbai. So, on behalf of FMT, I will give you a lecture on how to develop the entrepreneurship in you. Okay. So, I'm a student of the same institute. So, we start with the presentation. What is the entrepreneurship development? So, first of all, what should be the need of the invention? So find out your need and find out the others need. Now see, entrepreneurship development will be started from certain need, that may be your or that may be society. So generally it may be from the society. Now your need mean what? Suppose if you are employed and suddenly the employment will be stopped, then that will be your need to earn something. And others need means some society needs certain things and you're working for that. That is nothing but the others need. Now which are the different types of business that you can go? First one, sole proprietorship, one person company, limited liability, and a private limited company. Now in case of sole proprietorship, what we're going to do, it's a small business or small shop. Okay, it means that the entire things depend upon you, no one is going to bother on you. It's just a small shop. It means that a sole proprietorship. Now one person company means what? You can develop a company which is having a limited version. It means that that company is not just buy and sell. It is just a company, okay, which will generate something, which will develop something for the society, and that will be sold in a company, sold in a society. Now if now here the limited, there is some limitations in funding in first two cases. In third cases, the limited liability partnership is there. It means that the number of partners have come together to start up, to market certain startups. Then that is the private limited company. Here again the problem of funding is the limited liability partnership, and in case of private limited company, um, there will not be any problem of funding. It's a huge company. Now need of entrepreneurship. What is the need of entrepreneurship? Suppose you are doing the job, there is a limited money. It means that suppose your salary is let's say 50,000, so that will not be hiked by 10%, 20%, maybe hiked by 3%, 4%. That is the standard way. But if you want more money, as you are working for more hours, it means that in case of a salaried person, you can work for anything. Uh, your growth will be limited. But if you are doing certain entrepreneurship, then sky is the limit. It means that you can work for anything. You can hard work, you can go for smart work, and you can earn the money. Now startup journey, how to start up? First of all, start up with the business idea, then business research, then business discussion, then business started, and the business profit and loss. Now see, I am also starting the business idea. That is, there is a need of solar. It means that a lot of people are worried about their electricity bill. So I'm thinking about why not go for the innovative ideas, and I'm thinking about provision of certain renewable things in it. So I have started my business as a solar. Okay, then research, I have researched it, uh, for which persons I can did the research. Okay, so here I have started it for a small household purpose initially, then small vendors. Okay, then I have started the business for the big societies. Okay, then I have discussed it. It means that there are a lot of issues with it, with the supply and demand. So I have discussed with certain important parameters, important meetings. It means that experts in that session, and then I have started the business. Okay, I invested some money. I got certain loss also, but after 2 to 3 years now, I'm having a good amount of experience in it. Now next, yes. Now be the giver first. It means that if you are selecting the idea, then we can you can innovate the things, and you should be the first. You should be the first one. Otherwise, what happens? Any other person can do the same business and he can earn the money. So that's why you should be the first. You should be the first to innovate. You should be first to start. Now see how many. This is a long queue. This is for the getting the job. Okay, it means that jobs are limited. Okay, and this is the long queue. So instead of this long queue, just go for the smart work. Just go for the smart work. Okay, and develop your ideas, generate generate the your IQs. Okay, develop the ideas, convert it in terms of business model, and you can start your business. Start your. Then entrepreneurship and sacrifice. Yes, it does not mean, suppose you're a salaried person, then it's a 8 hour shift or 10 hour shift. So after that 10 hours and 8 hours, you may be free uh, for your own thinkings. But in case of entrepreneurship, there is a total 24 hours you should be with the your ideas, with your business in order to get the. For example, Elon Musk. Elon Musk, I think you know it. Okay, he is a owner of Tesla. Okay, but initially he is very poor person, but he taking certain decisions, he firm with it, he devoted his life for this, and he will be a successful. Similarly, this is take an example of this bird. Okay, now you will see what you can differentiate. So this bird having the life about 70 years. Okay, so after 30 years or 35 years, his nails uh, will get weared out. So what we did it, he he cut all his feathers and he going for a certain, we can say, called as a adnatwas. Okay, for 1 or 2 years, and automatically his nails will be come back, automatically his feathers will become back, and he will remain remaining, he will live live remaining 30 years. Okay, that is a life. Okay, then you can see the Mirabai Chanu. Okay, so he is again sacrifice everything up for his ideas. Okay, or for the nation, and that's why he's successful. Then you have to remove the ego from you. You have to learn from others, either from higher persons, either from lower persons. Every time you have to learn something, and you have to remove your ego in order to get the success. Yes, our God, Shivaji Maharaj, he is also sacrificed everything for Swaraj, and he is a God for us. Then monopoly, it means that there are different big companies are there. Okay, which will scratch out the small companies. Okay, so you should become a big such that no one can kill you. Then take an example of smart work, that is a Sari, Sort, then Seton, then Siso, then these are certain things. Okay, in order to get the things at a right place at right time, and that the combination is called as a Kaizen. Okay, so first of all, initially the Kaizen is implemented in one of the standard brand, you may know also, that is a Toyota. So Toyota first of all implemented this Kaizen, and they will be successful. Okay, so similarly new ideas, new implements should be done, and that has to be implemented in your business. Then this is the, nobody is always busy, it is just a matter of priority. It means that you have to see what kind of priority you have to do, and then you have to work. So this is all about the entrepreneurship development. So thank you for giving me such an opportunity. So I'm thankful for the Technolox Academy, and my colleagues, my friends, and my senior teachers. So thank you for that. So for any query, please ask me questions. Thank you.